I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to install apps on this watch. Now, before you install an app, you need to ensure two things. One is you're actually connected to Wi-Fi on the watch. And secondly, you need to be signed into your Google account on this watch. Now, to check if you're connected to Wi-Fi, just go to settings. So swipe down, tap on settings. On the settings page, just go to Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is on first, and then make sure you're connected to at least one working Wi-Fi network. If you're not, then you're gonna have to connect to Wi-Fi. Secondly, just make sure you're signed in with a Google account. If you're not, you'll be prompted by the Google Play Store. So go to the main menu by pressing that button and then look for the App Store icon. So this is the Google Play Store. Just tap on it. It's going to launch. If you're not signed in, it's going to prompt you to sign in with your Google account. Anyway, once you're here, you can see all these are suggestions for apps you might want to install. So for instance, if I want to install an app like Strava, I'll just come here to the search function. I can either search with my voice or keyboard. So let me just go to the keyboard and type Strava. And then hit the search icon. And you can see the Strava app is available for me to install. And all I need to do now is tap on the install button. And as you can see, it's currently downloading. When it's finished downloading, it should install. Might take some time, obviously, depending on the size of the app. Once it's done, it will prompt you to open. And there is the Strava app installed on my OnePlus Watch 2. And that's basically how you can install any other app. Okay. Now, once you install an app, it's going to be added to the main menu of your watch. So anytime you go to the main menu, you should see your new app there and you can launch it at any time. Okay. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.